In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from image with AI in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to take an image with baked-in text and have Canva's AI lift that text out for you, leaving a cleaner background and giving you editable text you can move, restyle, or delete. First, make sure your design is open in Canva and the photo or graphic with the unwanted text is on your canvas. Start by clicking the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. This is important because everything we do next needs to apply to the correct layer. With the image selected, click Edit. Depending on your layout, this appears in the top toolbar or the side panel. The Edit panel gives you access to adjustments and AI tools specific to the item you've selected. In the Edit panel, look for the Tools section and click See All. This expands the full set of available tools so you don't miss the one we need. If you don't expand it, the feature might be tucked away and easy to overlook. Now, choose Grab Text. This AI tool analyzes your image, detects the text embedded in it, and separates that text from the background. It's designed for posters, screenshots, product photos, and similar images where the text is part of the picture, rather than a separate text box. When prompted, select All Text. This tells Canva to target every piece of detected text in one go, which is ideal when you want a complete cleanup without leaving stray words behind. If your image contains multiple blocks, this option ensures consistency across the whole image. Finally, click Grab. Canva will process the image for a moment. Once it's done, you'll see two things. The background where the text used to be will be cleaned up as best as possible, and the extracted text will appear as a new, editable text element on your canvas. You can drag that new text box away, change the font or color, or simply delete it if you don't need it. The key benefit is that the original image is no longer stuck with that baked-in text. Take a moment to zoom in and inspect the result. On simple backgrounds, the cleanup is often seamless. On complex textures or patterns, you might notice minor artifacts. You can always undo and try again, or adjust your design to minimize their visibility. That's it. Your image now looks cleaner, and you've gained editable text you control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Canva's AI to streamline your design workflow.